So if you've been following along, I've been repurposing, redesigning an old GeeeTech A30M printer, and with the idea of turning it into a laser cutter. So I downloaded the technical drawings for the 20x40 V-slot aluminium extrusions, which the frame is made of, and used Fusion 360 and drew up this part, which many iterations of this and tweaking and fine-tuning finally gets me one that's correct. Like it slides in, here it is here. There's a few in the bin, but yeah, here's one here. Nice, nice tolerances. I was just printing it 5mm wide, just because just testing. Yeah, there's no point printing a 50mm wide piece I was just testing tolerances. Anyway, so with the I was going to put it there, and the leg was going to come up from here, like this frame is upside down, was going to come up from here, and that's how the legs were going to attach. However, I've now decided that I think this is a better orientation. Just hang on. Yeah, I can't get it out. I slid in and out 50 times before I turn the camera on. That's the way it works. Give me a second. Okay, yep, with this piece out, not going to mount the legs here. Instead, I'm going to mount the legs down that way, lifting the frame up this way, having the legs here, so the threaded rod is on the underside, and it also means that this carriage is a little bit higher up, so when I design and build the laser carriage assembly, I've got more room already. I don't have to go ridiculously high legs. So, having spent hours and hours of redesigning and reprinting this little part, I'm not even going to use it. Instead, it's going to come in from the sides, both sides, and go down underneath the motors on this end for the legs, and underneath this the bearings for the other end of the whatever they're called, threaded rod. Yeah. So back to the drawing board. Hey, it's Future Me here, editing this video. We're just going to go high speed on the video for a little bit. In a nutshell, I designed some parts, I printed them, they didn't work, I redesigned some more parts and printed them, and it worked. So, here are some more printed parts. These are the ones for the other end of the Z travel, or soon to be X travel, but these ones don't have the cutout for any cabling because there's no wires need to go in this. I also said previously that I was going to put heatset threaded inserts in here. Well, I changed my mind on that for a number of reasons. Probably the first reason is I can't find them. I know I have some, I just can't find them. But the other thing is it's not actually under a lot of mechanical stress. It's the plastic is sitting on the plastic doing the downward force. There's really not going to be a lot of lateral force. So, and it's not a part that needs to get disassembled and reassembled very often, so I decided just to screw directly in. And if you see, I'll just move the trolley along. In this end, I have simply just, well, you can't see because it's not on camera, but simply put my M3 8mm bolts directly into the bottom half of the bracket, and that's rock solid. That is not moving at all. So I will assemble the other end and try and put it together. Pretty long already, but it's really tight everything. Also, the other thing is a lot easier to assemble this. Sorry, I'm going to look up. This end, tighten these up. Okay. And done. Now, let's reposition the camera again. Okay, so four legs are on. These are rock solid. This frame does not have any twist in it, and I know I've got it on my rickety little trolley, but that sits rock solid. I'm really happy with that. And I think we'll make a really nice stable base. Yeah, everything's still square, straight. It's coming along nicely.